Hey guys, welcome back to another great how to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to add a log page on Wix. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go to the Wix website and then log into your account. Now that you're here, you just have to select the template and then just have to click on the design site and you'll be redirected to this page. So now that you're here at the left side of your screen, just click on the pages and menu and then click on the add page. So this option right here, you just have to click on it. After that, you'd be able to see here the store, bookings, blog, pricing plans. So just click on the blog. And then right here, you'd be able to see add a Wix blog. So all you have to do is to click on it. And then just wait for a few seconds until the Wix blog would be added to your template. And after that, you can select the settings and follow the prompts if you have anything that you want to change in here. So with this, you already have a default template of blogs. Then if you want to add in your own blog post from your website, then you can select manage post and link it in here. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.